What are your secrets? Have you accidentally or purposefully done something wrong and haven't been caught? Or have you been caught and wish for everyone to forget your wrongdoings? Would you go to the ends of the earth to ensure your secret remains hidden? Would you go past the ends of the world to forget the guilt and shame of your transgressions? Thankfully, you won't have to go that far. You won't even have to leave town. The locksmith can erase your darkest secrets from you and the world. Find a black skull key. You can find the key by searching in and around places you frequent, as well as the nooks and crannies of your own home. If you can't find it in those familiar places, then look at the bottom of abandoned wells and in birds' nests. If you can't find it in those places, keep looking. When you find the key, forge a spare. If you hire someone else to do it, the locksmith won't appear, even if you have the key. Call the number on the key, but wait until midnight to call the number. If you call the number before that time, then the locksmith won't come, even if you call him at the correct time the following night. If you call him after that time, even if it's a minute after, then you will have gangrenous sores instantly cover you from head to toe. Game over. When you make the call, a dark and gravelly voice will ask you a questioning code. The question could be as trivial as what you ate for dinner last night, or as personal as what you are most afraid of. The code could be as simple as Morse code, or as complex as Cicada 3301. If you answer the question incorrectly, you won't see the locksmith. Instead, you will faint. The next time you wake up, both the original and spare keys will be gone. You will have no way to retrieve them, no matter how hard you look. If you answer the question correctly, the locksmith will appear in a flash of fire, smoke, and noxious fumes. In front of you will stand an impossibly tall figure, tarred and fettered, and wearing a black hooded robe and adorning a barn owl mask. It will stare back at you from the abyss of eyeless cavities. The locksmith will ask you to pick a number between 1 and 10. It will then ask you, hidden or forgotten? If you wish to have a secret forgotten, say, forgotten. If you wish to have a secret hidden, say, hidden. It will pull out an unlocked puzzle box, write the secret on a piece of paper, place it inside, and lock it. The locksmith will finally ask, how many? Give it an answer based on how many secrets you wish to have hidden or forgotten. The locksmith will then ask the same questions for each secret and write each of those secrets on separate slips of paper. The locksmith will only allow you to have 5 secrets to remain hidden or become forgotten. If the locksmith asks what your secrets are, run. It is most likely the devil in disguise. The real locksmith will never ask what your secrets are. It will know what your secrets are the instant you summon it. When you no longer need the locksmith, read aloud the number on the skull key. The locksmith will extend its hand. Give it the original key. It will then disappear in a flash of fire and smoke, followed by the screeches of barn owls and the jangling of keys. Remember to always keep the spare key on your person. Your secrets will remain hidden from you and from the world for the rest of your life. Any past transgressions you committed will also become forgotten by you and the world. If you somehow lose the key and don't find it within 24 hours, you will start having nightmares of being tarred and fettered by a mob. The mob will scream and cry, "Confess! Confess! Confess!" Over the week, those dreams will become hallucinations. You will eventually be driven mad and will blurt out the very secrets you've gone great lengths to lock away. Remember when the locksmith asked you to pick a number between 1 and 10? That number is how many years you have left to live. Leading up to death, you will begin having dreams of being chased by a mob that bays and screams, "Confess! Confess! Confess!" The mob will corner you within a month, then have you tarred and fettered. You will find yourself tarred and fettered and burning alive when you wake up. After death, the key will rust away within 24 hours, and you will become a ghost forever condemned to wander the earth in humiliation and shame. You will watch as the very people you care about find or remember the very secrets you've entrusted to the previous locksmith. If you have multiple secrets hidden or forgotten, you will become the next locksmith. As the new locksmith, you'll be condemned to carry the secrets of whoever summons you as you watch them live out an idyllic life, free from guilt, shame, remorse, and justice. It might be better to take your secrets to the grave instead.